What's up, everybody out there on YouTube? Bryson Michael RC here, and I've got a real quick request for you guys today. If you guys haven't seen my video, the Avengers Endgame Deadpool, make sure that you go over there and watch that video because we're coming up on 2,000 subscribers quickly. I appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed to this channel, and it's been a complete blessing. I'll tell you that, being able to converse with you guys and talk to you guys and reply to comments and stuff, especially not only on YouTube but on Instagram as well. And 2,000 may not seem like a bunch. I may still be considered a small YouTube page, but to me this is huge. It is. 2,000 subscribers is huge for me, and I appreciate every single subscriber that I get, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm doing a giveaway in case you guys haven't seen. So if you haven't watched that video, go over and check out that video. I'm doing a giveaway, and I didn't know if I was going to reach 2,000 subscribers by the time the movie Avengers Endgame came out. By the way the subscribers were going, I kind of suspected that I would, because I was getting about a subscriber, 2-3 a day. And so I figured I would be at 2,000 by the time the movie came out. And I think we're going to hit that mark because there's only 20 more subscribers left to go. At the time, when I put out the video, I think I only had 1,800 and something. And now, 1980. So we're really close. So please, if you guys could, spread this around, spread this page around, share with your friends and stuff, invite them over to watch these videos, invite them over to watch some of the cosplay Thursdays that we've done. If you know somebody that's doing 3D prints and is doing 3D printed cosplay and things like that, invite them over to watch this and discuss things with me. I'm open to any discussions and stuff. I will comment back with you and stuff. I just love interacting with everybody online on YouTube. It's been so much fun, and ever since I switched from doing drones over to 3D prints, it's been so much more fun than it was back then. I've been getting to know so many more people this year and last year than I knew prior, and it's been amazing. So make sure that you go over there and put in your entry for the Endgame Deadpool and who you think is going to die in the new Avengers movie. We've only got a few of them, so you've got a really good chance to win. Like I said, I'm considered a small channel. It's only 2,000. Some people may be like, "Oh well, it's only 2,000. Don't get too excited." But to me, that's awesome. So I want to give you guys something in return. So at 2,000, if Avengers Endgame comes out and I still don't reach 2,000, I'm not doing the giveaway until I reach 2,000. So I think I'm gonna hit 2,000 no long before that. Well, not long before, maybe like a week before or something like that. So the last giveaway that we did, I just let my son pick a random comment, and he picked one that built him up and stuff. A guy came over, not only subscribed to me, but subscribed to his channel, also commented on something on his channel, and so he obviously picked that one, so we're not leaving it up to that. I don't want to do a randomizer or anything, so the rules to this are very clear. You put down in the comments who you think is going to die. So at the end of Endgame, you think these people are permanently dead. We will stop accepting comments when the movie comes out, and then we will do the giveaway once we reach 2,000. So if we reach 2,000 before Endgame comes out, then the night that Endgame comes out, I'm going to go watch it, and then I'll come home and I will announce the giveaway the very next day. So make sure that you go over there and leave your in-game comment on there. Be sure that you spread this channel around to anybody who might like cosplay, 3D printing, or anything like that. I really appreciate the support that you guys have given to me. I appreciate all of it. You guys are awesome. Now let's keep it growing. Let's go to 3,000. Let's go to 5,000. Hell, let's go to 10,000. I don't think they give away bronze or anything anymore, huh? I don't know. I've always wanted to have a small channel. Not a huge channel, but a small channel, because I think I can comment and interact a lot more with a smaller channel. It's a lot harder to get to everybody on a big channel. And see, I don't have a ton of followers on Instagram, but I have a lot more interaction on Instagram than I do on YouTube, and I get messages all the time, and it's really hard to keep up with them. I try to message you back if you message me. Sometimes it's a couple days later, but I do message you back if you message me. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook. I don't do much on Facebook. You can also go support me on Patreon. I'm still learning a lot about this social media stuff, because when I was doing drones, I reached my first 1,000. I remember being able to monetize for the first time and stuff. I don't go around shoving my channel in people's faces and commenting on a ton of people's videos and trying to subscribe to people to try to get more subscriptions or anything like that. I basically make the content and then I put it on and I let people be the judge. I let people come to me and subscribe to me if they like the channel. You guys are what make this channel what it is and make me want to keep creating content. Anyways, just wanted to say that. Get on over there, leave your comments for the Deadpool Endgame. Let's get this giveaway going. Let's make it big. Help me get to 2,000. When I got to 1,000, I made a video just like this to push me over the edge to 1,000. I think I was about 100 away from getting to 1,000, and literally in 2 nights I got to 1,000 and then some. And so, figure it might be a pretty good idea to go on there and give you guys a video that you guys can just share with your friends and stuff and invite them over if you guys would like. So this is the only time that you will ever see me actually reaching out trying to get subscribers. Anyways, my name is Bryson Michael RC. We'll see you guys later. Y'all have a good one.